So friends, now we will determine magnetic field due to current carrying ring by using Biot-Savart's law. You know Biot-Savart's law very well. Due to current element, where we were in Biot-Savart's law, due to current element, if you have current element is dl, so Biot-Savart's law, dB is equal to mu 0 I dl, mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl by r square. This was Biot-Savart's law. Using this Biot-Savart's law, we will determine now current magnetic field at this distance, at this point P, which is from center at distance x, due to current carrying ring. So how we can determine this magnetic field? Let's see. So for that, a diagram is drawn here. It is current carrying ring. Say radius of this ring is capital R. Initially we will consider dl element, which has direction is towards its tangent, and perpendicular to this tangent at distance from this dl at distance r, where we want to determine magnetic field, and the direction of this magnetic field is plane of perpendicular plane made by dl and r and perpendicular to this plane db. Say if angle between this perpendicular radius and this line, angle between them is theta, this distance is x. If this angle is theta, here is 90, you know very well. So here angle will become 90 minus theta. There are two components of this dB cos, dB sin theta. How the angle is theta come here? If here 90 minus theta, it will be theta. This angle will be 90 minus theta, and this again angle will be theta. So dB cos theta, dB sin theta. So magnetic field due to this dl, smallest component, initially we will consider smallest element, small element of ring dl, due to which magnetic field is dB, mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl r square. This is Biot-Savart's law. If you want to rewrite it in vector form, dB mu 0 I dl cross r, and here it will be r cube. We have already initially considered that angle between dl and r is, but this is now I am removing, but dl is perpendicular to r, so cross sign will be removed. So dB is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl r. Sin 90 will become 1, so 1 r will be cancelled, so here it will remain sin 90 is 1, you know very well. So mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl r square. dP. Now it is due to smallest element dl, but in opposite side another component dl we have opposite to this, and sin, if we required magnetic field due to this component, it will be here because it will be opposite side dB. So there are also two components. This will be again dB sin theta, and again here dB cos theta. From the diagram So sign component will be cancelled. Sign component will be cancelled out. So magnetic field we have is only due to cosine components. So dB is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl upon r square cos theta. Substituting the value of cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, capital R divided by small r. From figure you can see small r is hypotenuse, capital R, substitute this value here. So dB is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl capital R divided by r square, it will become now r cube. So substitute this value of small r. So r square is nothing, hypotenuse, so it will be r square, capital R square plus x square. So r is equal to, if I am removing this square, so we can take it in under root form, raised to half. We need r cube, so r cube is equal to x raised to r cube is equal to cube will be of whole term x square, so it will be 3 by 2. Substitute this value in this equation. So dB mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl capital R square plus x square raised to 3 by 2. Now this magnetic field is due to only smallest element, and we have whole ring. We have to determine magnetic field due to whole ring. So to determine total magnetic field, for total magnetic field, integrate above equation. From which limit to which limit? Total length is we have, for whole circumference it will be 2 pi r. So b 0 to 2 pi r dp. Substitute this whole db in this equation. You can see here mu 0 4 pi and this x r all are constant, so you can take out them. So mu 0 upon 4 pi x square plus r square raised to 3 by 2, r is here, and integration of dl 0 to 2 pi r. Integration of dl is dl, total integration will be L, and it is nothing but total length, and total length is here, you are already given limit, so it is 2 pi r. So for whole integration you can substitute the value. B is equal to mu 0 r 2 pi r. In place of this integration of dl, I have substituted, so limit 2 pi r minus 0, so I can write 2 pi r here, and at bottom sign 4 pi x square plus r square whole raised to 3 by 2. Here pi will be cancelled out, 2 will be cancelled out. In place of 4 you can write 2, because 2 is here cancelled out. R and R, it will be square, mu 0 r square upon 2 x square plus r square raised to 3 by 2. Total magnetic field. This is total magnetic field due to current carrying ring from the center at distance x. If someone's, now special cases. So what may be the special cases? Which are the special cases? So special cases are: find magnetic field at distance x, this is at distance x. Find magnetic field at the center, so it is okay. So what are the different cases? Okay, so this is magnetic field due to single ring. For n rings, what will be? It will be multiplied n times mu 0 r square 2 x square r square raised to 3 by 2. Another case, at center, means at x is equal to 0. What will be magnetic field for single ring or for n rings? N mu 0 r square 2, this is 0, r square raised to 3 by 2, so r square and here r cube, so n times mu 0 I upon 2r. For single ring, n is equal to 1. So what will be magnetic field? Mu 0 I upon 2r, because for single ring n is equal to 1. So these are the different cases for magnetic field due to current carrying ring. Hope you have understood it. If you don't have understood anything, you can ask me. Thank you.